Hey guys, hope you're having a great day so far. Thanks so much for checking out my channel and watching this video. It really means so much to me and I would love it for you to subscribe. I make videos on my channel all about Poshmark and thrifting to try to expand my channel a little bit more. I have some really good video ideas for other interests and hobbies that I have, like reading, and I'm a huge makeup lover and shopper, so I want to kind of expand my channel and do more videos like that. So be sure to subscribe, that way you get notified when I upload a new video. But anyways, so thanks for checking out today's video. It is going to be what all sold for me on my Poshmark in the month of June, and I know that this is going up really late and I do apologize for that. Or no, oh my gosh, it's not the month of June, this is the month of July. So this isn't going up too late actually, because I realized I just posted June's last week and that one was late, and I gave a whole explanation for that in that video. So this isn't late, this is actually kind of somewhat on time, so that's good. I'm sharing what sold in the month of July, and it wasn't a whole lot. It was actually less than what sold in June, and that is because, like I said in my last video, I just had a lot going on. I got a new job, and so I was also traveling a little bit in July, so excuses I know, but I'm gonna get back on track. Okay, so this video will be short and sweet, like I said, but let's just get on right into it. If you haven't seen my videos like this before, I usually post to the side a screenshot of my Poshmark closet. That way you can see the item that sold, because obviously I do not have it because it sold. I'm probably over explaining that. Okay, so the first item that sold in July was this red Free People burnout tee. I actually had a yellow one of these shirts up on my Poshmark closet and that already sold. So I was glad that this one sold as well. I know that Free People is a super popular brand on Poshmark, so definitely, if you can, try to sell Free People, because it always sells super fast for me and it always gets a lot of likes. And okay, the next item that sold was this Ann Taylor silk blouse. This is like a peplum style blouse, really cute with gold buttons. I love the hot pink color, and I really debated on keeping this for myself. I ended up selling it and I made pretty good money off of it. It's just a really great career and work style blouse. I know that some people that I watch that are really big on Poshmark say that Ann Taylor and Loft are kind of hit or miss. I think that the career styles do really well, and some of the more like classic pieces, or something that's like super trendy. I don't know if the basics do all that well. I need to test it out and see for myself, but that's kind of just what I've heard. Okay, the third item that sold, or actually this is the last item that sold, because only 3 items sold for me in July, which is fine. I took it as just a learning, and I just knew it was going to be a slow month, so I'm not beating myself up over it. And I hate even saying that it's a slow month, because, like, I don't know. To me, this is just a hobby. This isn't my full-time job. My livelihood does not depend on my Poshmark closet, like I know some people do. And so I don't want to like beat myself up over it. 3 sales is still, at the end of the day, 3 sales, and I made money, and trying not to like make it, I don't know. You know what I'm saying. Okay, so third and final item that sold in July was this gray Madewell maxi dress, and oh my gosh, this dress was so soft and comfy. I really debated on keeping this for myself as well, and I'm kind of kicking myself for not keeping it, but it sold so fast on Poshmark and I made pretty good money off of it. It sold for $35. Free People and Madewell are my 2 favorite brands to sell on Poshmark, because they sell so fast, they're so trendy, and they're 2 of my favorite brands, so I'm like more motivated and excited to list them and get them sold. So yeah, that was kind of like, I was sad to see it go for sure, but I'm sure that whoever bought it loves it, and that makes me happy. So that wraps up everything that sold for me on my Poshmark closet, which I don't think I mentioned this. My Poshmark closet is at Thrifty Bailey, so definitely check out my closet. I would love for you to add me as a friend on Poshmark, and I will definitely, if you leave me your Poshmark closet below, I will definitely share it and follow you back as well. I loved getting to connect with people from YouTube and connect with them on like Instagram and Poshmark, so that is awesome. And my Poshmark closet is at Thrifty Bailey, like I said, but that's also my Instagram, so definitely check me out on there as well. I know, shameless plug, but I love Instagram too, so I'd love to connect with you on both of those platforms. Again, I really hope that you enjoy these videos and that they help you out. I know I'm always interested to see what sold for other people, and I hope that maybe it kind of gives you some ideas on what to sell or challenges you with your Poshmark listings. So that is it for the video, short and sweet, I know. Definitely check back for what sold in August after we're done with this month. Summer is just flying by. Like, I do not know where July went. I think I blinked and it was over. I think I say that every year, but that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.